Hey guys, welcome to a new video on Cryptophonics. In this video, I will be talking about support and resistance in trading. This is one of the most underrated strategy as the new traders focus more on complex ones such as Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci retracement, stochastic RSI, and many others. This is really simple yet an effective strategy. It is where market decides at which price the script seems expensive and where they seem cheaper. The price at which it seems cheaper starts acting as support, whereas the expensive one acts as resistance. We will be talking about how to identify these points, but before we dig in the practical world, let's first understand the theoretical part. Support and resistance are the points where price has changed course of movement repeatedly. After a downtrend, if price starts moving up, support has been formed. Whereas in case of an uptrend, if price starts decreasing, the price has encountered a resistance. These support and resistance points can last for minutes, hours, days, weeks, years, and even decades. And when they are broken, their roles reverse. If a support is broken, it acts as a resistance. And similarly, when a resistance is broken, it starts behaving as a support. So let's dig in the chart and do some practical knowledge. Here is, so this is the chart of Amazon. One candle represents 1 day. This is the daily chart of Amazon. At this point, we can see the stock made a support and gathered an up move. The price increased. This point, as we can see, will start acting as resistance now. I'll plot one point, I'll plot a line and show you clearly. So let's look at this point. Yeah. So from here, from this point, the stock started moving upwards. So this started acting as a support for the stock. Why? Because moving up came down here. A support has been made, started moving up, 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 and here the stock has encountered a resistance. This is the resistance point we are talking about. After moving, then again, the stock started its downtrend, came to the same level. This point started acting as a support. The stock price increased, came near the resistance level, again came down, came near the support level. Again, the stock started an up move, came down near the support, took support, went towards the resistance, came down, and this time we can see that the resistance was broken. At this point, the resistance of the stock has been broken. So as we can see that this resistance was formed on 20th August 2020 and this was broken on 6th July 2021. And also this point, as the breakout has been made, we can see that the breakout is not a very strong one. So this is referred to as a fake out, a fake breakout, or fake breakdowns are very common in the markets. We will be learning about them in our further videos. So let's see here. Again, the stock came here. This again started acting as the resistance, came down, again went to the resistance, came down, came down, came down. This time the support was broken, but this again happened to be a fake breakdown, went up, and now we can see the trend is still continuing. If we further go back, we can see at this point, at these 2 points, the stock faced resistance but could not break it. In its third attempt, or the fourth one, I guess, first, second, third, fourth. Yes, in the fourth attempt, the stock broke its resistance, and once the resistance is broken, it became support. Moved up here, encountered a resistance, as we can see, if this downtrend continues, uh, we will be having a support somewhere around the 2000 levels for Amazon. Again, coming back, yeah. So here, resistance faced, came down, again went towards the resistance, came down, took support near the support levels, made a fake breakdown, and as we can see, this line over here is another support for the stock. This line over here is another support for the stock. The stock took support here. So further, many examples can be plotted this way. Moving further behind, yeah, let's see. This point was before acting as resistance for the stock. First, second, third, fourth, broke the level, and after breaking the level, the stock started moving down. This time, this level acted as a support, provided a great up move for the stock, came down, again took support, moved up, came down, again took support, moved up, came down, again took support. So this is how support and resistance work. Let's move to the other chart. This is Bitcoin, Bitcoin daily chart. Here we can see, let's see, first of all, start from this point, the first line. This is the point which was acting as resistance for Bitcoin. It faced the resistance, moved down, took a support near this level, again moved up. This time it broke its support. This time Bitcoin broke its support. Sorry, this time Bitcoin broke its resistance, moved up, again came down near the support level, which was previously the resistance one, moved up again, came down, broke the resistance, broke the support level, came down, and as we can see that the previous support level this time here provided it a support, moved up. Now as this was a support previous time, once broken, this became resistance. After the resistance is formed, the Bitcoin struck this level, could not break it, came down, again tried to break it. This time the level was broken. Bitcoin moved up, came down, took support, again moved up, came down. So this is how the things go. Let's have a look at this level. Yeah. So this has been a major resistance for Bitcoin. This is the resistance formed in 2017, 18 December 2017, somewhere around that day. This resistance was formed and it was broken on 2nd December 2020. So this lasted for around 3 years. As I have said, that the support and resistance normally or what? They do last for decades. I'll try to show you once if I found something that has lasted for a decade, I'll show you that. Let's further look at this point. This one. Bitcoin moved up, resistance, came down, took support, moved up, came down, took support, same level, moved up, took support, broke the support, and the downfall was severe. And once a support is broken, generally a support is formed near the previous levels. Look at this one. This one here. The support is, once a support is broken, another level of support is usually the previous one. So this is the previous level where support was lying. And in this region, again, Bitcoin took support, moved up, broke its resistance, moved up, broke another resistance, moved up, took support here, moved up. And yeah, so this is how the movement is being continuing. Also, we'll be moving to Ethereum. There's another level, there's another way through which we can identify the resistance and support for a script. We have to use EMA, exponential moving average, for that. Go to settings, change the length to 20. 20 normally suits well to almost all the strips. Now, let's have a look. Starting from this point. Yeah, starting from this point, the Ethereum was facing resistance around this point, could not sustain, came down, and moved up, could not break the level, moved down, could not break the level, moved down, tried again to break the level, could not break the level, again a breakdown, tried again, could not break, came down, and this time it broke the level. Now, as this level is broken, the 20-day exponential moving average is broken. This line is supposed to act as a support for the stock. Now, if it acts or not, we will be finding it. Let's have a look here. The stock facing resistance at this point could not break, started a down move, broke the level. Now this will start acting as a support. We can see an up move is evident, took support here, again started an up move, took support, the support could not sustain, down move. So this is not a very effective strategy, but yes, for some cases you can find it. We need to combine the strategies and then apply one. So this is for this video. Thank you.